Hi everyone, I'm Naomi. Welcome to my Filipino cooking channel. Today I would like you to join me with a lovely cup of coffee and with my lovely freshly made Bukayo, a Filipino coconut candy. It's a lovely Filipino dessert. Now let's try it. Absolutely delicious. And it goes really well with coffee. Guys, Bukayo reminds me of my childhood. My mother used to make it as a sweet treat for all the children in the village. And now I'm making it for my kids to enjoy. Here are the ingredients for my Bukayo: young coconut, brown sugar, and water. It's simple as that to make a wonderful coconut candy with just 3 ingredients. Now let's start cooking. Pour the water in a pan. Put your heat on high and bring it to boil. Now the water is boiling, add your brown sugar. Okay guys? And turn your heat to low. Give it a stir. Mix it up. In the Philippines, Bukayo, also known as coconut brittle, it is also used for a lot of Filipino desserts. Guys, when you caramelize the sugar, you need to cook it on a low heat, or else it will burn. So it's important to cook it on a low heat. Okay guys, after a minute, our sugars is starting to caramelize. Now we can add the coconut strips. Okay guys, our young coconut strips. There you are. Lovely. Mix it up. Make sure you combine it nicely. As you can hear, it's quite a crunchy Bukayo at the moment, but we want it smooth, guys. Okay? Guys, we do not cover our Bukayo while cooking so that it reduces down into a lovely coconut candy. And we have to stir it occasionally so that the sugar will not stick in the pan. After 10 minutes, my Bukayo is reducing down nicely. Let's give it a stir. Wow, that looks amazing Bukayo. After 20 minutes, our Bukayo is starting to caramelize nicely. Let's give it a stir. In the Philippines, Bukayo is also known as coconut brittle. After 30 minutes, our Bukayo is getting very sticky. Let's give it a stir. Wow, we're almost there, guys. Look at that. Oh, I cannot wait to eat this Bukayo, guys. It's so important to cook this Bukayo, guys, on a low heat. After 40 minutes, our Bukayo is now ready. Turn off the heat and let it rest for 2 minutes before you place it on a baking paper. Guys, if you like Filipino dessert, check out my playlist entitled Filipino Desserts in English. After 2 minutes off the heat, let's place our Bukayo on a baking paper to start shaping them. So I'm just use about a tablespoon, guys, okay? Start shaping them. It's best to shape it while it's warm, because it will go hard when it's really cool down. Okay, I'm just do a tablespoon each. Okay, make sure they have room for one another. Now let's tidy our Bukayo, guys, okay? They go very hard quickly, so place to tidy up. It's cool down now, so I can flatten it with my hands. Okay guys, that's it. And let it cool down. I hope you enjoyed my Bukayo recipe today, and if you like it, then like it, and if you love it, please subscribe. More recipe to follow from my Filipino cooking channel. Thanks for watching. See you soon. God bless. Cheers! Stay tuned guys, because I release new Filipino recipes every week from my Filipino cooking channel in English. Thanks for watching. See you soon. God bless.